Everyone, today's Isaac King Videos, and today I'm going to show you guys how to fix USB not showing on computer. So this is the easy method of this tutorial. So as you can see, I got my USB here. I'm proving you it's not loading up. So this is how to fix it. First, navigate to the Windows key, right click until it says Disk Manager, which may take a moment because it's a slow old computer. There you go. Now go to Disk Management and wait until Disk Management loads up. May take a while on some old computers. It says activity happening as well. So once Disk Management loads up, wait until it loads up the configurations, you'll see a thing here, Disk 1. What you want to do now is you want to right click and go to change drive letter and paths. Then click add, click OK, it will give you the letter, click OK, and when it shows up the window, there it is. Your USB device is now connected to the computer. So I hope this fixes your problem. Thanks for watching and subscribe.